Today, we use round shapes to make a circle design. Can you imagine? We can just use simple round shape, small circle, big circle, oval, any round kind of shape, spirals. Can draw many things, almost all the stuff in the world. Today, my idea was want to draw a dog first. I want to draw a dog, but where's the dog? I think it's in the park. So what else in the park? There's some flowers. I add some flowers. Just use very simple round shape to create the first flowers. And my dog is smelling the flowers. She like it. And what next to the flowers? There's a big flowers and also create with the round shape. I outline the flowers so the flower outline the shape, can see it clear. And I want my dog standing on the grass, so I color the ground greens. What next to the grass field? There's a tree. I want a tree there, a big circle to draw the body, and the little curly line for the tail. What do you think? What are you gonna add on the tree? Are you gonna add the bird next too? Now it's time to add the color for the tree trunk and the tree. As I always said, I will use more than one color to color the stuff I draw. At least three different kind of browns, and I also use a little bit green on top. Normally under the tree branch should be darker because the sunlight couldn't catch it, so the bottom of the tree trunk should be darker. And now I add a little bit blue on the sky and the drawing is done. What do you think? Happy drawing! See you next time!